Hey, welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life. And so in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month that actually works in the real world. So on this video, I'm not going to be talking about this amazing course that's going to bring you from broke to millionaire in a few months, nor am I going to give you these top 3 secret tips that will actually change your life. And I'm not going to be talking about how you could just invest $100 and then become a millionaire. So what I'm going to be talking about here is real practical advice that I've actually done myself. And this is something I think the majority of people can do. So let's start off with the first and most important thing. And this is basically going to set the entire framework on how you're going to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month for practically a lifetime. And that all has to do with the mindset and views on how you make money. Because at an early age, most of us are taught to view making money from an hourly wage, and then later on, we're taught how to make money in a salary. So an hourly wage is basically how much do I get paid per hour, and then a salary is you're gonna get paid this set amount no matter how many hours that you work. And for most people, that's typically the way that they know how to make money. But in this case, I actually want you to change your mindset and viewpoint from an hourly wage or salary to how much money do you want to make per month? Because this really changes everything. Because now, instead of going to a job or whatever career path that you're going to and you're seeing how much you're going to pay per hour or how much you're going to pay per salary, you're more like, how do I get to this amount? So say, for example, you want to make $5,000 per month and your job actually pays you like $2,500 per month. Well, now all you have to do is actually think of how else can I earn the additional $2,500 to get to $5,000? And whenever you change your mindset and viewpoint this way, it really changes everything. And at least for me, this is how I was able to earn this type of money, because whenever I changed my mindset that way, it helped me to think creatively. And at the same time, I wasn't really looking for one thing that's going to give me that amount of money. Because quite often, if you're thinking of one way to make money, or at least a lot of money, then more than likely you're going to have to either get a very high paying job or stay at that job for a very long time. Whereas if you look at this whole monthly income approach, it's different. So in this case, you might not have to go get the highest paying job. Of course, if you could get a high paying job, that's great. You could also get like maybe a normal full-time job and then additional part-time jobs or side gigs or freelance and so forth. All of that really comes back to this whole monthly income. Your entire mindset is, what do I need to do to get to this number? And then whenever you pass the $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 per month range, and then you want to get up to $10,000, well, obviously you're going to have to work normally more, or you might be very fortunate and be able to get 2 full-time jobs, and that's pretty much the fastest way to get to $10,000 or more per month, but it also depends on the type of skill sets that you have. So that's really the approach that I've learned to take, and it's worked well for me. And some of the ways that you could actually increase your income is obviously gain skills that'll pay you more, and also learn skills that you could actually do on the internet, because that's really how you're going to be able to work a lot of different things in order to gain that monthly income that you desire. And so those are my thoughts on how you could realistically earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month or even more just by changing your mindset and then taking the actions and doing the work to get there. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Set up your business easily and legally with incredibly affordable rates at Incfile. Join more than 500,000 businesses and launch your business today. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.